Hey everyone, so in this video let's talk about premenstrual syndrome. PMS is categorized as a group of symptoms that generally occur between ovulation and a period. For generations, this has been dismissed as a psychological problem, although this is a real issue, and I feel it has to be normalized and understood better so that we can take care of it and not let it interfere with our daily routine. This is so prevalent in women during the menstrual cycle that more than 70% experience it. So the most common symptoms of PMS include mood swings, depression, fatigue, irritation, headache, tender breasts, food cravings, etc. So it's important to understand the prominent causes of PMS in the first place. Number one is hormonal imbalances. So when you have elevated levels of estrogen or estrogen dominance, which is the root cause of PMS, so it is required to maintain a good estrogen balance in our bodies through diet, activity, or supplementation. Number two is vitamin and mineral deficiencies. So women who are deficient in vitamin D, magnesium, or calcium are more vulnerable to PMS and the related symptoms. Number three is unstable blood sugar levels. When you have spikes in blood sugars or insulin, that basically throws our body out of balance. Number four is low serotonin levels. So serotonin is basically a neurotransmitter produced in the brain. This gives us a sense of well-being and also we feel happy. But changes in hormone levels can also influence serotonin levels. So these are some of the reasons why you might be experiencing PMS or the related symptoms. So it's important to understand how to address these individually. Number one is hormonal imbalances. So I guess I have to make a different video, a detailed video about hormonal imbalances. But at a high level, we need to have a very good functional liver that can metabolize and balance the hormones in our body. In case of estrogen, our liver metabolizes excess estrogen and detoxifies the body. So for the liver to work on this, it's important that we don't burden or overload the liver with alcohol, refined foods, or refined vegetable oils. So it's better to avoid these and make sure that our liver is functioning properly. Number two is again we need to address the vitamin and mineral deficiencies, right? So we need to make sure that we consume fiber-rich vegetables cooked in healthy fats. And also, if it's required, you can use supplements like iodine, selenium, vitamin B6, and magnesium. All these are helpful to balance estrogen in our bodies. So I personally don't recommend calcium supplements because it gets stored in all the wrong places. So our bodies can generate calcium when we have enough vitamin D3 levels. So, and then comes we need to make sure that our blood sugar levels are stable. So in order to do that, we need to make sure that we follow a low carbohydrate diet with moderate protein and healthy fats. This should keep your blood sugar levels in check. And in order to address the low serotonin levels part, we need to make sure that we get exposed to sunlight or moderate physical activity and consume foods high in healthy fats and proteins. This will make sure that your serotonin levels are boosted well enough. So more than any of these above recommendations, it's important to have the willpower and the mental strength to understand the problem and sensibly deal with it. So let me know if I can help you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.